Hello, my name is Pitase Bukti Cayanti. I'm from the Department of Architecture, the University of Indonesia. On this occasion, I would like to present research entitled Towards Bikeability Through Placement Approach in Yogyakarta. My study reveals aspects of interaction, activity, memory, and experience as elements that play a role in placement at destination points and cycling routes in Yogyakarta. The background of the research raised is the increase in the number of motorized vehicles that are not controlled in the future. It is feared that it will increase carbon emissions and traffic congestions, so that it is necessary to develop a sustainable transportation program and be associated with the discipline of urban design. This can be realized by developing the quality of space and exploring the potential of space. Then the placement approach is used to improve the quality of travel to create a positive attachment to the place. Based on this, it is expected that there will be an increase in the number of cyclists and can be a tourist attraction for the city of Yogyakarta. This research aims to understand the place attachment process in cycling space, and the objective of this research is to contribute to reducing carbon emissions in urban spaces, plan the design of attractive bicycle point destinations, and increase the interest in cycling among city residents. The study used qualitative methods with a placement theory approach and descriptive narrative analysis. Primary data collection was carried out by observing cyclists destinations, interviews with cyclists and other actors, and conducting active participation as cyclists to get hands-on experience. The research location is one of the Mona Lisa routes, which was the idea of Yogyakarta government to support the sport tourism program by enjoying the harmonization in Jogja with 5 cycle routes. The focus of the observation area is the Romansa Kota Lawas, or Old City Romance Road, as shown in the image on the right. And then the data collection in the form of observation and interviews was carried out using a place attachment approach, which, according to many experts, is related to the emotions of space users and their physical space. However, this study explores the thesis proposed by Hessemisnat in 2013, which discusses activity, experience, interaction, and memories as aspects that form place attachment. And then the novelty of this research is that bikeability is always associated with safety, comfort, road continuity, coherence, and attractiveness. However, no one has discussed the emotional and affective aspects created between cyclists and road spaces and destination point. So the concept of place attachment, such as activity, interaction, experience, and memory, has high urgency to be explored to create a space that attracts cycling interest. And then in field observations, spatial characters were found on the Romansa Kota Lawas road at destination point. These include a warung soto located in the middle of 2 modern buildings with a garden city concept. And then from that picture, we can see that street vendors are occupied with a flexible seating area located in a shady environment and around the heritage building. And the other picture shows the riverbanks with relatively narrow road space. There are many pocket points in the villages that can be used to rest and gather with local people in gazebo or bench in village. Based on the character of space, It is then analyzed to explore the relationship between existing conditions and the place attachment approach. The first pictures are the site plan and section area of Warung Soto Pak DLB in Garden City, Kota Baru. The second pictures are the site plan and section area in street vendors which located in Balai Yasa Heritage Area. The last picture are the section area of village on the Gajah Wong area, and then Perak Mos Kota Gede and Bendung Lepen Kota Gede. The analysis is carried out by depicting pieces of space to then be described based on the pattern of space uses. And then the results of the analysis obtained are the focus of the place attachment approach, such as activity and interaction, and experience and memory, as the basis for exploring the process of place attachment. In this case, activities and interaction are divided into where the process occurs and what drives activity in space. Based on the findings, in general, there are mixed use, commercial, housing, and significant road areas as destination areas. There are also regional generators in culinary, social, and cultural attractions. And then, on the other hand, some experiences and memories are formed from the character of space, including nature and heritage area. Furthermore, 4 points and destination areas are connected to each point, forming the place attachment. Then the factor of culinary and social activities, and then the nature and heritage characters have an essential role in forming place attachment. The findings of this study are activities and interactions from social and culinary activities, the formation of experience and memories of space formed by nature and heritage characters significantly influence the formation of place attachment element in Yogyakarta. This can be further elaborated by linking it to the physical aspect of urban space, such as the need for street vendors and other culinary attraction to arrange green and blue spaces on the planned path. And then I believe that the conclusion of the research can bring positive results and further study in urban design and planning. Thank you for the attention.